This is Ben from techlockdown.com, and today I want to show you how to block Chrome extensions on a Windows or Mac computer. The reason you might want to do this is if you're trying to restrict access to websites on that computer, it's a really good idea to limit which types of Chrome extensions can be installed. The most effective approach for restricting Chrome plugins is to block all plugins from being installed, but then selectively allow a few safe plugins. So if you use a password manager or spell checker, you can still use those Chrome plugins, but every other extension will be completely blocked. Check out our full guide on techlockdown.com. It'll be a little easier to follow along with this video if you can just copy and paste the commands from that guide. And also you'll see how to do these instructions in other web browsers like Microsoft Edge or Firefox. So to get started, you need to get the Chrome plugin that you do not want to block and copy the extension ID. An easy way to do this is to open the Chrome Web Store and search for the Chrome plugin that you want to exclude from being blocked. On the Chrome Web Store page for that plugin, you can copy the last part of the URL, and that is the extension ID that you'll need for the rest of this tutorial. If you're trying to block Chrome plugins on a Windows PC, you first need to start out by opening the command prompt program and make sure you run it as an administrator. Now you'll need to enter a command that configures some hidden settings for the Chrome browser. And the first one you're going to enter is a command that just blocks all Chrome extensions. The second command is going to add some exceptions for Chrome extensions that should be allowed. And this is where you paste the extension ID that you copied earlier. After you enter these commands, make sure you restart Google Chrome, and then you should see these changes take effect. On Mac, you can use an Apple config generator to customize browser restrictions that are harder to bypass. In this example, I'm going to use the Tech Lockdown Apple config generator, and then I'm going to go to the Web tab and scroll down to the browser extension restrictions and set it to only allow approved extensions. Then you should customize the allow list with the extension IDs of the Chrome plugins that you don't want to block. The next thing I would do is to enable removal protection so that a password has to be entered in order to unblock Chrome plugins. Now you need to download these restrictions onto your Mac and go into your downloads directory and double-click the file that was downloaded. Open your Mac's system settings and search for device management, or just click the profile downloaded section in the sidebar to quickly jump to it. Double-click the config and then install it. Once you do this, you need to restart Google Chrome in order to see your changes. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, leave a comment below or visit techlockdown.com for more free guides and advice.